All of you, welcome back once again. In this video, we'll try to understand about bug bounting, that how you can find bug bounting project, which platform is better, how you can do a proper analysis, and how you can look at the code, how you can understand the problem before actually execute and start building your own project. This is the regular process which I follow whenever any project come up to me. So first I go and find out the resources which is available related to the project which I want to develop, and then I start focusing and developing the project after considering all of these logic which they have implemented in the contract, in the chain, whether it's a multi-chain or single chain. That's all we're going to discuss about it. So generally I would like to use this particular platform called Bug Wrap. I hope you guys have followed it. It's a pretty popular one. Then you will find all the smart contract are listed, and you can able to find out the details about the bounties they have provided. So here you will find all the bug bounty project which is listed. And to be honest, I never done any project for bug bounty only for money, because my part is most towards the research section and developing and working on the protocol. So before I start building any project for my client, for my company, I just look at all of this project, that what they have implemented, what are the possible hacks which are possibly there in the contract which can cause the huge damage for the company. So first I spend huge amount of time spending on this contract which is already deployed, already written, try to understand the logic. So there you will find a list of all the project, and you can able to see the amount of reward they're going to provide you if you find a really valuable bug in their platform. Once you find it, you can simply submit your report. So you can find this marine chain, the tons of project they have given. So let's pick this particular project, let's click on this, and let's try to read and understand that what exactly is there. So here you will find all the details about the project, that what it is, how it's work, and there you will have all of these details. So you can see the policies, you can have the overview, you can have the reward, you can have the scope. And this is the important part, because this will give you the most of the clear understanding that what is the scope about the contract and what are the possible things can be executed in the contract. So you can see it has the similar structure of the bridges. It have the token swap, it have a marine token airdrop, layer 2 node. So this is quite similar to the protocol we have in other project which we built. So it has the source code of the smart con marine, and there you will find all of these details. We have the blockchain, there you will have all the critical issues like direct fund loss, that's the one you have. And here we have the high risks, and here we have a couple of critical things, and this is the high risks. So you have to do a proper research, try to understand that what exactly is there. So if you come back here you will find this smart contract. You can simply click here and it will take you back here in the GitHub, and there you can able to read more about the project. And this is very important, because most of the time you're going to spend reading the contract, understanding the logic, reading the documentation. It is really very important. I know it's quite hectic task. Most of you don't like to read the documentation, try to understand. You just want to simply replicate it. You can, but you have to also spend some time to understand the logic which is implemented in the contract. So here you will find all the details about the layer 1. Here is the layer 2, and you will find the contract addresses and how you can execute. So you can simply clone the repository, or you can simply get the contract and you can simply check from your end. So if you come back to the contract, there you will find in which we have a lot of interface. We have some couple tests, we have the deployment and libs. So you can check one by one that what it is exactly. So you can see we have the Polygon ZKVM, and here we have the upgradable. So you can simply click one and you can simply have a look that what logic they have implemented, because it's not about finding a bug. You have to increase your understanding about the smart contract and how you can utilize it. So this is the exact logic we have follow when we have built in our free marketplace. I hope you guys have followed it, in which we have followed the similar architecture, verification method, ownership, and that's what exactly we have here. We are inheriting the entire superclass, and then we are having the details, and we are making the transaction. So this is very basic. So this is very important. My only motive is to make this video to let you know that that's how you have to learn. You have to understand the code structure. You have to know that what exactly happening. So that's how you can simply explore one by one the contract. All the addresses given. You can come back to the bridges. This one is getting very popular. The concept of bridges, how you can manage the one asset into a different one. So there you can able to find. So here we are in the midline. There you will find that how things are working. You can see the explore, you can see the protocol, Dapp ranking, blockchain, token, resources, Dapp tool. That's all we have here. That's all we have. The resources are there. You have to find it out and get it, the one which you want to utilize it. If you click on this add to wallet, there you will find it will add the MetaMask. So you can simply go behind the source code and try to see the structure they have used and try to replicate in your own application. That's how you learn. That's how you build any project. No one is inventing anything new. They are using the same old technology and they are just adding once on top of that a little advanced version. So that's how you can find the bug bounties project, and you can do your research. At least read about it. When you will read, you will understand that, and which is very important because it will help you to understand the layer 1, layer 2, how what is the difference between that, how the problem is getting resolved, what are the problem we have in it in the layer 1, in the layer 2, in the contract, how the contract execute the transaction in the bundle. So we have different concept around it. So you have to know. Will help you a lot. So come here, pick a project, try to read and do a proper analysis, try to do a little bit more research, try to see all the report the user have submit. So you have to do a little bit googling and you will have a lot of details. Try to simply copy the contract which they have given, paste in ChatGPT and tell them to build a documentation of it and try to highlight a critical issue in that. So that's how you can start at the early. You can simply copy the entire this text and give to the ChatGPT, or you can build a simple agent like chat agent. You can build there, you can provide all of these details and you can simply communicate with the AI and it's going to find out all the relevant information which you need. You don't need to learn the entire stuff. You can build your own AI agent. You can simply feed all of this data and you will have your own chat agent where you can ask and get all of this detail. So be smart, be smart. That's how you can update yourself. That's how you can update about the project and what kind of problem can exist in the project, because here they have mentioned about the high risks, about the low risks, the critical issues. That's all they have highlighted. You can simply come, once you find out, you can click here and you can simply create an account and simply submit your report. If you can't find a bug in the project, you can give your feedback that this is the contract, you think that this could be another approach which we can include in the contract. You can give this kind of feedback. And trust me, when you give this kind of feedback in the project, the founders, the co-founders, they really love. In that way, you will build your connection. So try to read. Don't spend your entire day. At least just go through that. Go through that. It won't take you more than 20 minutes to read the entire structure. If you good in the smart contract, you can easily able to understand how smart contract exactly work. And by the way, if you are a complete beginner, then definitely check this particular course I have, in which you will completely master blockchain development. You will learn every single thing which you have to know as a beginner. Simply come back here and go back to the course section, completely follow this project. This will help you to understand how exactly the blockchain exactly work, what are the technology we have, how we can utilize it, how we can build a Dapp. We have built one of the biggest project like NFT marketplace. It has 5 different contracts. You will master complete Solidity programming language. Then you can be able to understand all of the contract which is written in the bug bounty, which is very important. So I hope you guys have got an idea that what exactly you have to do and how you can simply find this out of project. This is very crucial. So make sure to come back here in bugwrap.io. There you will find all the project which is listed for bug bounty and you can have a look, try to understand. This will give you a better understanding about the project and the protocol and the contract written structure. So that's the only thing from my end. If you have any more questions, do let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely try to help in that. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.